but not yet because I haven't gotten into work.
Guys, some guys, wait.
It's a color trading challenge, so we're like color trading. There's one more spot available in your server. Yeah, and of course it's gonna say it's full. Can someone say, can someone leave so my sister can wait? Just keep saying that in chat over and over again, and somebody will leave. E-papa, 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 e-papa. Yeah, you got it stuck in our head. Kate, I'm filming. Yeah, you guys, my older brother is so annoying. I keep saying little brother, look.
You're rapping me in case it's rapping in the back.
Yeah, rapping in the bathroom. I'm recording.
Wait, say you're well, that's case.
E-papa, e-papa. No, I'm gonna crop all that part out because I haven't even gone into the server. Until I get into the server, we can say, "Hey, Gigi Swap, what's up?" It's. Oh, I'm in the server. Yes. Okay, so can we start?
Okay, can we do fire up right after ride, please, everyone?
For what?
Ride. And,
No.
Ride Griffin.
No.
So are you guys gonna eat dinner?
You're cooking it, and please don't interrupt our video. Okay, let's say it at the same time. 3, 2, 1. Hey, KK Squad! What's up? It's me, Kayla. Say, and Kaysen.
It's not gonna taste good.
And in this video, we're going to be doing a color trading challenge. So let's go ahead and meet up with Kaysen. Kaysen, what color would you like?
I would do white because I have a lot of albinos.
Okay, I think I'm going to be doing, I think I may do, I'm trying to look at, I think I might do brown because I do have a lot of monkeys and a lot of different other stuff that I can trade that's brown. So my color is brown, Kaysen's color is white, so let's get into the video. Shh. Like I said, you guys, I'm going to be surprising him with his dream pet, so we're going to go try to trade for it. Have you gotten any trades?
No. Play back.
Stop! Why'd you even pause the video? Don't stop recording. Don't ever stop recording. Ever. Until the video is done. Just keep going.
Okay, guys, so we're gonna be trying to trade. So.
Okay, guys, we have a trade. Oh my god. You're gonna add redemption. She declined. No. I was gonna add. Oh, you guys, we have this girl right here. She's a tombstone. Oh my god. She said for a neon leg. Can we do a frost in this? I don't want your neon leg. And a unicorn. And a fly ride griffin. Bat. We're gonna say bat because I really do want her bat. Oh my Kristen, do you want to do this?
Yeah, sure. Yeah. Wait. What?
Y'all, should I do this?
Tomb. Yes, for bat. Yes, do it. Click accept. Click accept.
Tomb? Nobody would do tomb for bat.
Oh, what?
That's not a bat.
No, but do tomb. People do tomb for that. And neon frost.
So should I do this?
Do you think? Yeah.
Nah, no. I'm sorry. That's a really bad trade. And I feel like that's not like. Actually, let's see if she'll do neon frost. Would she do neon frost? Let's see, guys. No, sorry, not neon frost. I'm so sorry. Just frost. Okay, let's see. Frost for this. I don't know if I feel like this is a really so you guys. I know my color is like brown, but like you guys, we need to do this. We need to. So we're gonna go ahead and do you want to do this?
Yes,
we're gonna accept this and see if we get it. Yeah, she declined. I don't really feel like that was fair. Okay, guys, so we're gonna go back to trading brown stuff. Oh, I don't really know what I should offer. I'm just gonna actually just really trade anybody. Wait, I think I know why this is not really working, because my trades are off, and I'm not getting a lot of trades. I feel like if I get on a super rich pet, people will, like, trade me. Do you guys think? Okay, yeah, we're on a rich pet. Let's see what trades we get, and we're gonna be putting in brown stuff. Yes. Brown stuff. We're gonna put in... Ooh, let's put in our, horse. See what they have to offer. I'm not putting my giraffe, but that's what, yeah, he declined. I thought that. I mean, he was really looking forward to putting a giraffe, for me to put a giraffe, but we're not going to do that. We're going to do a horse. Ooh, a bathtub car? Do you guys think this trade will happen? Oh my god, a bathtub?
For what?
This. Oh yeah, they declined. I didn't think they would do it. We're gonna put our horse back in, and I'm gonna like actually add other brown stuff. Let's add a beaver. Let's see, what else? A monkey and a neon flower chocolate Labrador. Only brown. Yeah, they declined. I didn't. A lot. That's why I don't really want to get back on my giraffe, because a lot of people are thinking that I'm gonna put my giraffe in trade. But I'm not. What other brown pet that's yes, my owl. Definitely my owl. Oh, I do get some super, but we have a neon owl over there, so they may all go over and crowd her and not me. Yeah, I didn't think so. Let's see if we get any trades. Hello? Excuse me, I'm on a legendary fly ride pet. So you guys, let's get back to trading for the bat dragon. She said she's AFK. Oh, she's not. Oopsie, not that. Oops. Okay, a king bee. I want your bat dragon. Sorry. I mean...
What?
Nothing.
You look like someone who could,
Whoa, you guys. I don't really think we can get any good offers for brown stuff. Brown stuff. Come on. I really want people to accept my trade. I'm trading a fly ride horse. I'm just really not like trading everybody in game. Okay, we got our first trade over here. Wait, what happens if we search a brown? Well, that... Okay, we have a brown bear. We already have an owl.
was there something white for my favorite dude?
So, trade something what?
White for my favorite dude.
Is she adding?
Favorite dude.
Or is she just gonna take away the owl? Yeah, that's what I thought.
Favorite dude's brown.
Wait, no, I'm trading brown stuff. You're trading white stuff.
Yeah, so we're talking about brown stuff. Your white stuff.
Ooh. Do you guys think this is a good offer? They have the same name. That is so cute. That is so cute. They have the same name. But I already have a koala, a flower neon koala, so we're gonna have to decline that one. I'm so sorry. But that is super cute. Is that a neon giraffe? Is that a neon giraffe? Oh my god. Wow. That's insane. A neon giraffe. I've really never seen neon giraffes. You guys, I'm pretty sure I've like traded, I know this sounds kind of weird, but I'm pretty sure I've like traded everybody in this server, and I haven't gotten one successful trade. What about you, Kason?
Yeah.
We're only trading brown stuff. I wish people could like get that, because like they're all expecting me to put my super legendary pets in there, and I just really can't, and it's just super hard.
So we'll offer my dude.
Let's try to get this offer. I don't know. It's a brown. Okay, yeah. I didn't. Y'all, is that a starfish? Starfish is my dream pet. Because I want to show you guys something. Let me just TP there. Okay. Stop ride. Okay, you guys. As you guys can see, let me go over to the board because I have so many pets. You guys, I have every single pet. I have every common pet, every uncommon pet, every rare pet, and all I need to get all the ultra rare pet is just a starfish. That's why I really, really want a starfish. I do have a crow, which is not in my account right now, and I do have an evil unicorn and a dragon, but it's just not in my account right now. Kason, I'm not offering for your dingery-doo. It's not my call. I don't have anything. It's my color's not white.
Your parrot back in your
You're going to reduce tan.
So you guys, we also do have a parrot. My little brother is giving it to me, and we also do have a crow. So yeah. Let's give our brown bear a drink. This I gave it to my little brother so just so we can like borrow it and stuff like that. So watch, guys. We just got it. We do have a Monkey King, which I just got today, and I was like super happy.
I think I'll trade it first. Yeah, since it's kind of.
We don't have our evil unicorn right now, like I said, you guys. Wait, let's see if we can trade this, because this is super cute. Chocolate Noob. When did I name it that? I really do hope I can get some super good offers for this, because I really want to. Well, that's out of the crocodile.
Good offer.
Wait, Casey, maybe I can trade you.
What? Yeah. I don't really have any. Why do you use phone? No, they don't have no phone.
You finished cooking our food, Kaden?
I have an emu.
What's wrong with an emu?
Yeah, my emu's run.
You got to think outside the box.
I am.
They also from a rabbit. You know what? They're so big, so just decline. But yeah, just decline.
There's the girl with the starfish. Can I please offer? I love starfishes. They're one of my favorites.
Land, please.
Who?
Land. Yeah, I know it's
But that's not white.
I know it's not.
So you're cheating. Are you cheating?
Yeah, I don't know it.
Are you cheating? Yeah, they declined. Good job. He's cheating. Where am I even going?
So big.
Okay, I'm going to like try to travel and overground because people have these like it's just like lagging me. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know if like that.
Neon owl. I love neon owls.
I can go over now.
Yeah, Casey, I think we've like literally traded everybody here. Do you think we should switch servers?
Yeah.
Yeah, you guys. I will see you guys in the next server.
You sound so big.
Leave the game and stop recording.